Hello everyone, welcome to a tutorial on Scarified. So in this video I'm going to show you how I play the solo in the solo section. So I think it's best that I demonstrate first against the backing track and then I will show you everything, okay? So this is just how I do it, one version, alright? That's the next section, but I played all the solo, my solo over this section for you. So I'm going to show you how I did it, so you can reference it and do your own thing. It's all good. And so I started basically after the main section. We modulated to G sharp minor, right? So you started with like this open E, and then this note here is actually the 18th fret. All right, and we're in G sharp minor right now, and I do a bend here on the A. And I hit the E note again. I bend that, so alright, that's kind of cool. You bend that to the flat 7. Alright. And then I have a sequence. So and then pinky. So do pull-ups. Have two triplets, and then shift, and then you do a bend with your pinky. All right, so this is just this part. So let me kind of do that in time. Alright. Okay, the next part is kind of tricky. It's actually not that difficult. It's actually very simple, but the tricky part is you have to do it really fast. So you have this pattern here, which is just a Paul Gilbert pattern. So let's see. So that's the first part. So picking wise, you can do this pattern first, and I'll try to make a video on this Paul Gilbert thing, which is really central to his soloing technique. All right, so one more time. I do a bend. You have an off note here. So that's the first part. So let me connect them slowly. Actually, it's kind of hard to slow the whole thing down because I was just kind of relying on muscle memory to do a thing. Something like that. All right. So I apologize for my inability to explain this part well. One more time. All right. And for the next part, you can do this pattern. So I'm on the first and third and then fourth here. Okay, so and then you do the same pattern here. All right, so these are the essence of the thing, and all right, I will try one more time, slower, okay? So basically, the essence is this pattern. And you move that down the neck. One more time, in time. So last note, so probably that's the one, okay? So again, slow down the video if that wasn't slow enough for you. And after that, you pick the low E 8 times, 16 note. You play this chord here. So it's a basically you can start off with an E power chord, and then you have this leading sharp 4 note. So I'm just hitting actually the D and G string. And then I hit the E one more time, come back here. So let's see. Something like that, all right. Sometimes I pull off, sometimes I pick again. All right, and then I just go up an octave, do a triplet here, quarter note triplet. So the destination is 16 and 17 on the B. I just approached those two notes grammatically, half step down, and then you do a gliss, and then low E, one note, F sharp, power chord, and then do a ghost note here. All right, so like that. So let me start from the E chord. So slowly. All right. So let me go to the last part of the solo. Well, I'm lost here. So we have one more lick to go. So the lick goes. Something like that. So basically, G sharp minor scale starting on 4th fret. Pull off, back to the 4th fret. I do a shift, 7 to 9, 7, band on the 9, and then a shift. Alright, so the pattern goes like, and then, so basically G sharp minor, basically the same pentatonic pattern. I'm just moving up one octave. So I end on the 3rd here, and then I do a bend. All right, so it would go. So one more time. right. So that's the solo that I did. So you can reference that. You don't have to copy everything, but if you find it useful, then by all means do so. All right. I'll see you in the next section.